Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound dollar, I mean, I do agree that, the dollar itself seems like it should potentially go up, causing the dollar pairs to go down. But the market itself is definitely not telling us this. If I mean, the weekly time frame is up, the monthly time frame is up, the daily time frame is up. There's no engulfing move to the downside. There's no break of structure to the downside. So for me personally, as a trend trader, I definitely cannot justify going down to sort of time frames and looking for long shorts. I would have to continue to look for longs because I am a trend trader, and there's absolutely no reason whatsoever to think that this move is done yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it's a very weird pattern. I mean, initially yesterday I was looking at this, I was like, this looks like an ABC correction. It looks like it potentially is just going to keep on going down, and it definitely did give us a break of structure. But the problem is it's not impulsive to the downside at all, and it looks like it made one, two, three waves down. Maybe this is even going to be like one, two, three waves up, and it's just a pullback within an uptrend. It definitely looks very corrective, and because of the higher time frames, I'm definitely still bullish, and I'm definitely still looking for longs every chance I get. To be honest with you, I would want to be long already because we got what I would consider a one, two, three wave move down to a Fibonacci level. So we got impulsive up, three waves down. If it goes up and breaks structure with momentum, then hold on. It might just keep on going. If it goes up and rejects structure, then it probably will go back down. But even if it does go back down, it might just end up being an ABC pullback. I mean, you could definitely go short and then hopefully learn and earn at the same time, whether you're looking at a wave three or a wave C. But because of the higher time phase, I personally would continue to look for longs every single chance I got. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.